What's going on, friends? Mike Hill Hobbies. I got a solar wireless security camera here. This is 2K, it's 2.4 gigahertz. Comes from these guys, and this is excellent for security, surveillance, and of course, watching over your Halloween decorations. Let's open it up and get into it. Up top, you get your surveillance warning sticker. You can put that out to let everybody know that you do have surveillance. You got your user manual that has everything in there you need to know. You have your solar panel. This is well protected with a nice foam sleeve there. Looking very, very nice. Plenty of cord right there so you can get that solar panel out in the sunlight. You need to make sure this solar panel gets as much sunlight during the day as possible. That is going to be the determining factor of how long your battery life is. Continuing on in the box here, you've got your mounts for the camera and the solar panel, and of course they give you hardware for both of those, so you're going to be able to go ahead and mount those up. As soon as you get this, everything is included in the box that you will need. You got your USB charging cord. This is so you can pre-charge the camera before you mount it. And lastly, you have your very nice solar wireless camera right here. 360-degree pan and tilt. This is a very, very nice wireless solar camera. This is really, really cool. You got two antennas right there. You can move those around however you need it. It's got a nice screen protector there on it. Quality feels really, really nice. It's very attractive look to it. Right here on the bottom, you have your watertight opening where you can put your micro SD card. This also has your reset and your main power button right there. Right here on the back is where the speaker is, so you're gonna have a two-way talk for audio with this camera. And right here where the camera is going to slide on the mount, you have another watertight fitting. This is where you're going to pre-charge the camera, and this is where you will hook the power cord from the solar panel into the camera. Very, very nice. I like how they put this on the back right here on the bottom. That way you can really hide your cords whenever you're routing your cable. It's a very, very nice camera system. This is a very nice, easy, efficient way to get some security surveillance wherever you need it. Okay, for mounting the camera, it's really, really simple. Right here on the back, you've got this slot right here, and this is the mount for the camera. It simply slides into place and then just clicks right on there. You've got the holes right there where you go ahead and put your mounting hardware, fasten this to the building, and you are ready to slide the camera right on there and start using this. And here is the mount for the solar panel. You've got your holes right there where you can go ahead and use your provided hardware to mount this, and you've got two different areas to go ahead, pan and tilt this, and you've got your insert right here on the solar panel, which is going to thread right on to the end of that mount. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Let's check out some of the details. This is a wireless camera, and it is controlled off of 2.4 gigahertz. So your wireless system needs to have that frequency in order to control this camera. And the operating system for this camera is controlled via an app, which you can download on your Android or iOS system. Now, when you're ready to mount this solar panel, you need to make sure you're at a 30 to 45 degree angle. Of course, you need to pre-charge this camera with the provided cord. It simply plugs right there in the back. You're going to charge that until you get the indicator light telling you that it is fully charged. And before you take this outside and mount it, make sure you set everything up within 15 feet of your router. That way you know you got a good connection and everything is working correctly. To control the camera is really, really simple. You download the app, you create the account. It's 100% free. They do have some options that you could pay for, but in order to control this and use it with many, many options and features, it's 100% free. This has audio warnings, strobe lights, humanoid detection, device sharing. You can download the videos from the app directly to your smart device, and many, many other features. You can zoom in, zoom out, you can pan, you can tilt. It has all kinds of features built into this camera. It's very, very nice, very, very user-friendly, easy setup, very, very good looking camera. And that is it. You simply pre-charge the camera, download the app, test the system, mount it where you would like it, and you are free to start using it. I absolutely love this thing. Thanks for watching. If you're like me and you put a bunch of stuff out for Halloween, costs a lot of money, this is an excellent deterrent to keep thieves away.